Hey guys, I hope everyone is staying healthy out there. In today's video, we want to share with you our tips and tricks how we stay healthy during the whole year, not only during this crazy time, the COVID-19, but remember, we have other flus that invade our bodies throughout the whole year. So how to stay so healthy and how to boost your immune system. I hope you enjoy.
Have you tried walking before? I bet you have. It's a really good form to grab some vitamin D, get your body moving, and actually have a good conversation. Maybe listen to an audiobook or a good podcast. So connect, always try to find multiple positive ways when you do something, enjoy it. It's a really, really good way to burn some calories.
Another important moment in our day is finding 5 to 10 minutes during the day to meditate. And everyone else has their own way of doing it. You can sit, you can go for a walk, you can close your eyes under the shower and visualize your health, wealth, and where you want to be.
When you are doing your research, how you can get the immune boosting vitamins and minerals to your body, always start by looking for natural ways to do it. You need to get vitamin C, you need to get zinc, you need to get vitamin D, probably from the sun. You need to eat some sort of garlic or aged garlic, and definitely get a lot of healthy fats. They are protecting your body from invaders in form of viruses. High intensity interval training is a really good way. It's really intense, but it's really good way not only to lose weight, but actually boost your immune system and improve your overall health.
Now let's talk about some healthy foods, and what you see here we eat every day. This is our everyday must-haves. So starting with the avocados, they are healthy fats. They're a great source of vitamin C, E, K, potassium, B6 and B5. We have some pecans here. They are great for reducing heart diseases, anti-inflammatory, anti-aging, and they improve our digestion. We have some almonds that have a lot of fiber, protein, fats, vitamin E, magnesium, and also manganese. Sunflower seeds or kernels, they're a great source of phosphorus, iron, vitamin E, protein, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Of course, eggs. We can't remember a day where we didn't eat at least one egg. So it's very important in our diet. So they're a great source of protein and choline, which protects liver function and the transportation of nutrients throughout our body. And also they contain amino acids. And there's a variety of ways that you can consume eggs. And last but not least, very important in the diet, walnuts. They're high in omega-3 fats, minerals, and vitamins, such as copper, folic acid, vitamin B6, vitamin E, manganese. They're also rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, and they reduce heart diseases and improve brain function. So very important nuts.
One of the reasons why we are losing muscle is our sedentary lifestyle, lack of movement, lack of resistance training. If you want to have a strong body and a strong immune system, you need to have some sort of resistance training.
Right guys, so this is our perfect morning. We did some exercise and now we are going to eat our breakfast. It's a very healthy meal with a lot of good nutrients.
We all know that smiling attracts smiling. So if someone smiles in front of you, you are going to smile next. So use the mirror to practice smiling. Look at your smile and just be positive. Positivity is really, really, really important when it comes to our even immune system. Practice smiling.
There's one more way how you can support your immune system. CBD has great anti-inflammatory properties. It's great for pain relief, for better quality sleep, and reduces anxiety. And you can grab yours at leafroyale.com.